Welcome back to my channel. This is IELTS Cambridge-19 Test-1 reading passage-1. It's about how tennis racket have changed. In part 1, we solved question 1 to 7, and rest of the question we'll solve in part 2. Let's begin. Part 2 is a complete the note, only one word. Here is the heading, the tennis racket and how it has changed. So we take some keyword from here. Mike and Bob Byron made change of made change to the type of something used on their racket frame. So in part 1 we find lots of keyword. Is mentioned Mike and Bob Byron. And question number 9, player were not allowed to use the spaghetti strong racket because of amount of dash it created. Question number 10, change to racket can be regarded as being important as player diet or dash to day. So change of racket regarded being important. The change of racket is one thing. Question 11. All racket used to have natural string made from the dash of animal. Yes, we in part 1 we also find some animals name here, sheep and cow. Question number 12. Pet Sampras had metal some put into the frames of his racket. Question number 13. Gonzalo Oliva changed the dash on his racket handle. Gonzalo Oliveira. Gonzalo Oliveira changed the dash on his racket. We already check our keyword, and now we'll find our keyword in the passage. Mike and Bob Byron changed type of something used their racket. In part 1 we had find Mike and Bob Byron here example. So they use something here. All the rackets in manufacturing Florida, they where our frames go through the customization process. They explain how they have adjusted not only racket length but even experimented with different kind of paint. This paint, they different kind, like different kind is the synonym of means type of. Different kind mean type of something, type of different kind of paint mentioned in the passage, and in question says type of. So paint is the question answer number 8. Paint answer number 8. Question number 9. Question number 9. Player are not allowed to use the spaghetti strong racket because of the amount. Spaghetti strong racket creates something. What's they create? When the amateur German tennis player Werner Fischer started playing with the so-called spaghetti strong racket, it created a strong bed that generate too much top spin that is quickly banned. That means they not allow in International Tennis Federation that generate too much top spin. Top spin here says amount that means too much that's generated top spin. Top spin is answer number 9. Top spin is answer number 9. What's in question number 10? Whenever we try to complete the note, we follow some word before or after the blank. In blank number 10, change to the racket can regarded being as important as players diet or dash they do. We have to find or related something and change the racket. However, within a decade or two, racket modification, that means change, become regulatory in many way, an aspect of game that equal significant to nutrition or training. Is we find a nutrition and or we have to find or here, a nutrition, that's mean diet, and significant. Question says important, that means significant. Important is the synonym of significant. A player diet, diet is synonym of nutrition, so or mentioned here. So answer number 10 we can say training. We can, it is just something. Training is answer of 10. All racket used to have natural string made from the dash of animal. We have to find some animal in part 1. We also find it some animal name here. uh, Modification divided two categories: bed, racket, frame. Choose some animal tension. Here is some animal. Here is the animal. Climate, uh, fleet time. Tennis racket, strong, natural. Got. Yes, we find here some animal name: sheep or cows. What say here? At one time, all tennis rackets were strong with natural gut made from the outer layer. That's gut made from outer layer made of sheep or cows. Intantes is the answer number 11. Question number 12. Pet Champre had metal dash put into the frame of his racket. Well defined here. Pet Champre was attributed the addition 4 or 5 lead weight. Here lead weight and the racket. There's mentioned here some metal name. Where is the metal? Attribute to the addition 4 or 5 lead weight into his racket. And today many professionals say, it says about today, but what's pet shampoo? Pet shampoo use 2 or 5 lead weight. Lead is the answer number 12. Last one question. Gonzalo Oliveira changed the dash on his racket handle. Where is the Gonzalo Oliveira? We have to find out Gonzalo Oliveira. Other chains frame involve handle. Yes, handle we found it here, but Gonzalo Oliveira is missing. Individual shape handle also find. Handle racket mounted frame. Frame also find different racket. Other player different chains. Professional Portuguese player Gonzalo Oliveira replaced the original grip of his racket with something thinner because they had previously left uncomfortable to hold. That's the handle is mean they hold something, they change original grip grip is the answer number 13. Thanks for watching this video.